Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon head curry, easy method. Start by prepping your salmon head, chopping vegetables, and blending a smooth spice paste. Heat oil in a wide pan, toast whole spices briefly, then add the paste and simmer until fragrant and oily. Add tamarind or lime for acidity, add fish and simmer gently until cooked through, keeping textures intact and flavors balanced. Make the spice paste first so the curry builds flavor quickly and efficiently. Toast cumin, coriander, and fennel until fragrant, then grind with chilies, garlic, and shallots into a cohesive paste. Use a little oil to help blend and preserve flavor. Fry the paste gently until the oil separates, then deglaze with stock and add tamarind. This creates a glossy, layered base that will carry the salmon beautifully. If this content is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that seal tightly, stack neatly, and prevent curry spills during transport. They are perfect for saving leftovers and portioning meals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a set, you will thank yourself on busy nights. Now let's get back to the video. Cook the curry with care to keep salmon head pieces intact and flavors deep. Sear the head lightly first to develop color, then nestle it into the simmering sauce of coconut milk, stock, and spice paste. Add vegetables like okra or eggplant for texture and simmer on low until the meat flakes easily. Finish with a splash of fish sauce and a squeeze of tamarind or lime to brighten the whole dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.